shall we?
Oh. Ah, there is one.
There's a dinosaur there.
Oh.
A drill.
Wow. Ooh. Wow. We're very lucky, Doc. We're very lucky. Ooh. Don't pass on the boat right there. Don't go there.
Is there anyone in there?
I don't know, but don't go there, the dog. Ooh. Miko, you are very lucky. How did you think about that, Nak? Nak, how did you think? Oh, I saw one here now.
Oh, a purple one. Green one.
Ooh. Aren't they cute? Oh.
That's a big one right here.
Oh. What kind of egg is that? A big one.
It's just a Krabby Patty egg one.
How sweet, huh?
Uh-huh. I think that's poison ivy.
Okay.
Oh no, I cracked it.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a Smartie.
Oh no.
I'll close it.
Oh, that's nice.
Here's one. Here's one.
How cool, huh? Even you're not here, there are some eggs there.
Dinosaurs and drills die. Dinosaurs and drills.
Yeah.
Are you videoing this?
Some of it, yes.
This one. Another Krabby Patty egg.
Oh. How about here now?
Ooh, here's some nice eggs. I see a big one.
Oh wow! What is that?
It's a Tootsie Roll.
Oh. Oh, that's cool, huh?
Uh-huh. Maybe this thing is overfilling.
I know. You need another basket, right?
Ooh, there's a cupcake one.
That's cute. Don't you think that's cute?
Uh-huh. I see another thing in the tree.
Really?
Yeah. Another Tootsie Roll.
Oh, it's filling out. Oh, there's no more in there now.
Thanks.
Welcome. Right here.
I see a big basket.
Woo! What's inside?
Chalk, some fun eggs, some chocolate, and lots of games in there.
You want me to carry that?
Please, no. Yes, please, ma'am. Can you back here? No? Yes? No? Any? No?
I don't know.
Another Lala Lucy bag.
Oh, is that yours?
Oh, and there's M&M's in there.
Wow. Wow, how cool, huh?
Can you hold this in there?
Sure, Mom.
Any back here? No?
There's some in here.
Here we go. Here's some cupcakes. Some cupcakes. Cupcakes. Take a second.
I think that's it. Right?
Right. Like so.
It's Fanak. It's Fanak.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, see some colors here.
This is a tree.
Oh. Wow. I love that basket, Nak.
Oh, gotta go around this guy. I got a lot of cupcake ones.
You love it, Nak?
This is so much fun.
Oh, you left one there, Anak.
This one.
Right here,
Another
Mahan.
one.
Right here, Mahan.
I'm sorry, Dad. Oh, wow,
Wow.
there's a lot of cupcake ones.
Yeah. Oh, there's one there.
There's a big one there.
Really?
Yeah.
Cupcake here first, Nak. Where's the big one?
Right there.
Oh, wow. Just be careful, Anak.
Okay. It's a chicken.
Really?
Yeah. A chicken basket.
So much fun, Nak.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Nak, there's some more cupcakes there. 1, 2. Give it to me now.
There you go.
Thanks, babe.
Oh, cupcake.
Sorry. I think that's it, Nak. I don't see anything.
Nope, I don't see anything.
Yay! Did you have fun?
Uh-huh.
Great!
I got 2 bagfuls and 2.
Wow, that's a lot of loot. Huh?
Thanks, Nye.
You're welcome, babe.